staff of Heritage Bank that was recently revoked its license of operations as one of the Nigeria commercial banks by the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, have staged early morning protests at the entrance to the National Assembly complex in Abuja, asking the lawmakers to intervene so that their salaries can be paid. According to the protesting staff of the liquidated bank, the salary for the month of June was not paid before CBN stopped the bank from operation. The staff also said the severance packages and access to their servants are also concerned for them, appealing to the National Assembly to intervene. The protesters held placards with different inscriptions in front of the National Assembly. The aggrieved staff said that the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC, has refused them access to their servants, insisting that their funds are not insured. The group said they want the Central Bank of Nigeria to grant them access to their trapped funds in their various accounts in the liquidated Heritage Bank to cushion the effects of their sudden job losses. Meanwhile, the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, NDIC, has commenced the liquidation of Heritage Bank PLC and begun processes for customers paid back in line with the savings insurance policies. The insurer of depositors' funds in Nigeria, NDIC, made this known in a statement issued earlier in the month shortly after the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, revoked the commercial bank license of Heritage Bank PLC. The Apex Bank also appointed the NDIC as the liquidator of the firm bank according to Section 12(2) of BOFIA, 2020. A spokesperson for the NDIC, Bashir Nuhu, assured depositors with an insured amount of 5 million naira that they would get their money through alternate banks. Depositors of the bank with alternate accounts within the industry will be paid up to the insured amount of 5 million naira per depositor using their bank verification number, BVN, to locate their alternate account. While depositors with funds above 5 million naira will be paid liquidation dividend upon realization of the bank's assets and recovery of debts owed to the bank, the statement partly read. In line with the statement, step-by-step process to reclaim funds included that all depositors of the defunct bank without alternate bank account in the industry were advised to follow the procedures stated below. Visit the nearest branch of the bank with proof of account ownership, verifiable means of identification such as driver's license, permanent voter's card, national identity card, together with their alternate account and bank verification number, BVN, for the verification of their deposits and subsequent payment of insured sums. File online claims by visiting the NDIC website claims page on http://www.indic.gov.ng/claims/claims. Download and fill the claims forms and upload the required documentation. The NDIC wishes to assure the entire banking public of its commitment to the continued safety of depositors' funds in all licensed banks. As such, depositors are urged to continue their banking businesses without fear as banks whose licenses have not been revoked remain safe and sound, the statement concluded. Creditors are advised to visit the nearest branch of the bank to file their claims or via the online platform. Please note that the process of payment of creditors will commence immediately after all depositors have been paid. Debtors who have yet to repay loans are advised to contact the Corporation's Asset Management Department, AMD. Visit the NDIC website for more details, according to the statement.
OsazuwaAkonedo, bringing you the news in a more digital way.